What is it?
We are traveling between two important zones of the wetland. Urban plants and open water, ducks and other birds use the areas in different ways to meet.
Oh, yeah, so that's why there are lots of birds.
Are they bird crossings?
Huh? Yeah. Look. Look at the flowers. You're going to the right side? Did you see? Be careful. You're going to the right? Stop. What's that? What is it?
Migrating birds. The most obvious place to look for life is the water, but don't stop there. Wildlife uses all the different parts of the wetland. Look up, down, and sideways. Listen for the rush of winds and a northern pintail take flight. Use binoculars to search for less floating among tail cocktails.
What is the pay attention?
Floating among
Huh?
beep 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 beep.
That's a sweat. Leave your...
Why is this coming off?
Yeah, I got it because it's too long. It's too long for the try. I got it, but not exact to cut.
So it's coming.
Yeah,
I think it's time.
yeah, you can climb, but be careful. What's that? It's okay. That's why it's spider too.
Spider?
No, yeah, but die.
It die.
Oh no,
Didn't
it's an
die?
insect. It's trapped already. Yeah, you can climb. You scared?
I don't know why a spider would happen.
No, because the spider put the what do you call that one? The huh? What's that? Yeah. Because there are lots of insect here, so that's why they put the trap.
Why does the trap look like? Why does the trap look like squares?
Yeah, because they put this one like that over there to hold the base like this, and to put this one when the insect goes there, they didn't.
Wait, where's the spider web?
Yeah, spider web.
I didn't see it.
This one, no?
Yeah, I know.
See, if you can touch, you feel the web, spider web. Look.
Yeah, that's spider web.
The spider is hiding now because maybe they sleep. When the nights come, they active. Yeah.
Why is the spider opposite of people?
Huh?
Why is the spider opposite of people?
Yeah.
It looks like this.
Yeah.
The spider is sleeping.
Yeah. See, do you see that, Nako? Oh. Spiders lots of food now. See that? Oh, there's lots of mosquito. See that?
Yeah.
So that's why when the spider's hungry, they go in there and then eat the mosquito.
So they get soaked.
Huh?
Where do they get soaked?
The spider?
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe inside over there, like this, or inside this one. Because they need to hide now because you know there are lots of bird over here, so that's why when the birds come, they eat it. So that's why the spider need to hide to make it sure.
Where the spider is hiding in the grass.
Yeah, maybe because they scared in the bird, so that's why. When the night is come, so that's why they come outside because no birds. The bird is sleeping.